Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
Every designer needs a fast way to drop a clean, flat color onto a canvas, as a background, a tint overlay, or a color base beneath transparent elements. Solid color fill layers are built exactly for this. Go to Layer, New Fill Layer, Solid Color. Choose any color. Now, here is what makes it genuinely powerful. Change its opacity to 30%, set its blend mode to multiply, and it becomes a transparent tint overlaying everything beneath. Perfect for color grading entire compositions or adding brand color overlays to photographs. It is completely live. Double-click the layer thumbnail anytime to reopen the color picker and change the hue without recreating the layer.